Okay, so we take a look at meal planner app with Google Appsheet. So first thing, we will have to create the database. So click new database. It should open view with table. It should have some default values. Just create a new table now. Here, let's rename the database to MyDB. Now let's also take a look at what we can add here. So I will put column into date category. So go to date. Here we will just choose date, so that for that particular place you will have to change the label here, otherwise it won't let you change the name, right? Also it won't let you change the type. If you want to, you can always create a new column. Here let me give it a date as name, and then we will add, click save, we will add it as label, right? And it will go to the first. Now here I can make the changes, right? So we'll change column name as, right, save this. Then comes another time, right, and then another. You choose the menu for this using the text type. Finally there is also this drop down, so let's see for what we can add here, right? So I will just delete in case you don't want it, right? Then there is also for anything random planned within planner. Save this, and finally notes. So each day you will set something for these slots, right? So here you can also give it a name, mail. Click save. Now once you do all of that, you can go back to the app. In dashboard, click create, and then choose the existing data, right? And here I can choose other option, click choose data. Now here within source, choose Appsheet database. Within that we already have this particular database. Table 1 is to be ignored and meal is the table. Choose meal only and uncheck the box for another table. Click create app. We will be adding few sample menus. So as to get started, we can also change the view of the app. As you can see, it will be loading in on the right hand side, and also for this particular view it will be taking the data. Currently we don't have anything, so I will close this, then go to views. I will choose something in the form of table. You can also see whether to add it through group or not, right? So save this, choose to sort if you want. I'll just go to desktop view to add new entries. So currently everything is empty, click add. So now here let's pick tomorrow's date. Let me add a few things. Right, at night we'll just have something like, and see something like pasta, right? And now let's save this, and here your planner appears. You can also add notes if you want to. You can always click on it to see how it appears. If you edit it, it will look something like this. Just click save and it will be saved, right? So now if I want to add new data, I can always click on the new, see for 14th, and then something like, let's say, then for dinner, let's say, now I'll try and save this. It will appear something like this, right? So this is our meal planner, and we are sorting it according to date, right? So you can try this on your own within Google App Sheet.